Star Wars, the new essential guide to droids.
The robots, or droids, as George Lucas called them, became some of the human characters of the classic trilogy. No matter what problem the inhabitants of the Star Wars galaxy might face, they could be sure of one thing: there was probably a droid for it. All the key automatons from both the classic trilogy and the prequel trilogy, as well as the notable expanded universe players, and a few nostalgic gems from decades gone by. Class 1 Droids. I'm the most efficient medical droid in the galaxy, even more capable than FX7, and certainly possessing a better bedside manner. Please omit unnecessary details, my dear. Recording circuits are open. Ubrikian needs to redesign the DD-13 immediately. Lord Vader detests our droids, and as of today we're at serious risk of losing the entire Imperial contract. We need more effects droids. I've put in this requisition 3 times. Every day you delay, clone troopers die. The GH7, 4-time winner of the Silver Bantha, for excellence in industrial design. You gave me this humanoid form, and perhaps unconsciously, some humanoid characteristics as well. If ever I had a human friend, I would like it to be you. Bubba, Bubba. Those analysis droids you've got over there, only focus on symbols. I should think you Jedi would have more respect for the difference between knowledge and wisdom.